We are Huazheng Electric, focusing on the field of electrical testing equipment and committed to becoming a century-old enterprise. The equipment we manufacture uses the latest ARM processors, which offer low power consumption, high performance, real-time data processing capability, compact design, intelligent features, enhanced safety, development tool support, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. Our equipment is user-friendly, with simple wiring and multiple protection mechanisms: over-voltage protection, overcurrent protection on both high and low-voltage sides. It operates quickly, response time less than 10 milliseconds, and is safe and reliable. We use wooden boxes for packaging and install steel plates at the joints of the wooden boards to ensure a stable structure. The interior is filled with EP pearl foam boards to effectively absorb vibrations during transportation, providing you with safe and intact products.